Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to delete Google Chrome activity history. So to start, open Google Chrome. Then from here, go to your profile at the top right. Next, click Manage your Google account. And then next, at the left side, go ahead and click Data and Privacy. Next, scroll down and go to Review and Delete Your History. So from here, click View My Activity. Next, just scroll down and so here you'll see Filter by Date and you'll see Delete button in here. So click on it. Here, choose All Time from the options. Now, before this window appears, so it will show you first what to delete. So you can select all. You can just click on select all at the top and it will select everything. Then click on next and this window will appear. So confirm you would like to delete the following activity and click on delete. And that's it. Click on got it. And basically that's it. Very simple. So just click your profile, then go to manage your Google account, then go to data and privacy, then scroll down and go to view my activity, then click on delete button and choose all time, then follow the following prompts. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.